Hello guys, this is Kawanjong.
I'm gonna show you guys today. This is my external trap, Tansen. I bought this one back in 2008 or 9 something. I bought this one. During that time, this is something like good stuff, But this is very good for the just back up your pictures from your phones or your camera, like that. But this is not speed enough to the editing videos and like that, So that's purpose. This is a 3000 GB, 3000 GB. This one, I purchased. I don't know. I can't remember how much I paid this one. Long times ago. This is a very good brand also. But this is not good for the editing like that. That's the reason I purchased those one. This is very good. This is very good. So you see, this is brand new. This is brand new. I just got it. I didn't use it yet. So I'm so excited today. I have 3 external drafts. Look, beautiful. I need it. I like to done things very fast, so that's why those things, everything. So I'm gonna description below. You can buy from there, so I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.